So this one's by Magnus Fireworks. TMI 25 shot 200 gram kit. Let's go test this out.
What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh, he might